But you only have to do it twice, guys. So once again, you'll be done in what, 8 minutes or so? That's a fantastic workout. Hey guys, Mark McKill here with Live Anabolic, and today I got a fantastic body weight only workout for men over 50. And when I say body weight only, I mean that. No dumbbells, no bands, no nothing, no extra equipment, all right? We're just gonna use our body to get in a fantastic cardio workout. But guys, it's gonna take less than 10 minutes, okay? And I've designed this in a circuit style. So I have 4 different body weight exercises. I'm gonna show you how to do them. And I want you to do them back to back in order with only 30 seconds rest in between. So I'm gonna step you through those in just a minute. But first, before I get to the workout, I want you guys to understand we have a fantastic resource for you, okay? And it's on Facebook, okay? This is what it'll look like. I highly recommend you click the link below this video and just check out our Facebook group. It's totally free, all right? For you guys that are scared of Facebook, just create an account. You don't even have to use your own name. You don't have to use any pictures. Just join, okay? We have thousands of guys all over the world, thousands of guys in their 50s just like you, and 60s and 70s, and even in their 40s. Super great guys. I'm on there every single day. I do my best to answer every question. Plus, all the other guys on Facebook are there to help motivate you and hold you accountable. It's not just me. So it's a great resource, guys. I highly recommend you try it out, okay? All right, so guys, this body weight only cardio workout is designed to get your heart rate up and your energy levels up. It's not designed to burn off a whole lot of calories, okay? What it will do though is something you can do every single day. Knock this out, 8, 9, 10 minutes max, and it will increase your cardiovascular ability so that when you do hit your real workouts, your really hard workout for the day that's scheduled, you'll have more cardio endurance and you'll be able to push yourself harder in that real workout. You might be following one of Gary's workout programs or one of my workout programs, but if you do this, you can do it every day, you can do it several days a week, it doesn't matter. It's gonna make your other workouts that much better because you'll have a lot more energy and a lot more cardio ability to push yourself, because that's what it's all about, guys. If you just kind of daydream your way through your workout programs, you're not going to accomplish much. So the harder you push yourself, the more you get out of it. Okay, guys, so the first exercise we're going to do is something called a head elevated push-up. Real straightforward. Put your hands on something that's up off the ground. It could be a couch, a chair, a coffee table, doesn't matter. The higher you put your hands, okay, the easier the push-up's gonna be, all right? I'm just gonna use this couch, all right? And I'm just gonna show you how to do them one by one, each exercise, and then I'm gonna take you through the whole circuit, nonstop. So just get in your normal push-up position, and we're just gonna knock out good old-fashioned straight push-ups here. The only difference is we're gonna have our hands up on something off the ground, which is gonna elevate our head, which is gonna transfer some of the weight off our chest and arms and to our feet. It'll make those push-ups a little bit easier. All right, guys, exercise number 2 is another real straightforward exercise. It's called a prison squat. All right, basically it's just a regular old body weight squat, except we're gonna take our fingers and we're gonna put them behind our head, okay? Basically like we're getting frisked by a guard. So we're just gonna go up and down, all right? Boom, boom. And if doing this pulls your head forward, okay, I don't want you to put a lot of strain on your neck. So all you have to do is kind of put your fingers on the back of your head. You don't have to interlock them, okay? And just pick a spot on the wall in front of you and stare at that and use that as a way to keep your back straight, because I don't want you looking down and rounding your back. If you're looking straight ahead as you squat, it'll really help you keep a straight back. All right, exercise number 3, you might think it's gonna be silly, but trust me, it's a lot harder than it looks, and it's just something called shadow boxing. And we're not gonna get real fancy. We don't have to worry about our boxing technique too much here. So I'm right-handed, which means I put my left foot forward, okay? And I'm just gonna throw punches like this, left and right, all right? We don't have to do anything fancy. All right, so I'm not just doing my arms, guys. So I'm twisting my torso and my back foot is twisting when I throw a right. And then when I throw a left, I'm punching straight out and my shoulder's going with it, okay? Boom, 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 all right? Real straightforward, but I promise you do that for 30 seconds straight, you're gonna get out of breath. All right, guys, exercise number 4 gets us down on the ground. It's something called a bird dog. It's actually kind of fun. And it might throw you off a little bit if you've never done them before, simply because there's a little bit of coordination and balance that you're gonna need to learn. But after you do it just a couple of times, it's real straightforward. You'll get the hang of it. So bird dogs, all fours, just like a dog, okay? And then I'm going to point with my right arm and then kick back with my left leg. And then we're gonna switch it. And we're just gonna go back and forth, okay? Real straightforward, guys. Those are bird dogs. It might look easy on the camera, but if you haven't done those before, you're gonna wanna fall over. It's actually a fun exercise. Okay, guys, so remember, I want you to do this in a circuit style, which means we're gonna do one exercise, all right? And I want you to do it for 30 seconds. So we're not counting the number of reps or anything here. We're just doing this. This is all time-based, all right? So do it for 30 seconds, then rest for 30 seconds. And then at the top of the next minute, you move to the next exercise. Do it for 30 seconds, rest for 30 seconds, top of the next movement, of the next minute, move to the next exercise. Real straightforward, guys. Now, this is a real easy program to modify for your fitness level, okay? So if you're in pretty good shape, you might wanna do 45 seconds on, 15 seconds rest, okay? I like to do everything so that when you add them together, it equals 1 minute, because that is real easy to keep track of. So I just got a little timer on my phone here. I'm just gonna hit go, and I'm gonna keep doing the exercise until it gets to 30 seconds. Then I'm gonna stop. Then I'm gonna catch my breath, and when it gets to 1 minute, I start the next exercise. When it gets to 1 minute, 30 seconds, I stop, rest, catch my breath. When it gets to 2 minutes, I start exercise number 3. That's the easiest way I have found to do these. So if you're really, really beginning, all right, you can modify it. You might do 20 seconds on and 40 seconds off or rest, all right? So just alter it according to your fitness level. And of course, for you beginners, you might start 20 seconds on, 40 seconds off, and a month from now, you might be doing 45 seconds on and only 15 seconds rest. It's that easy to modify. All right, so I'm gonna hit go, and then I'm gonna go through the 4 different exercises so you can just kind of see and get a feel for what it's like to go through a single circuit. And then of course, guys, I don't want this to be a real long workout, all right? We're just gonna do 2 circuits total. I'm gonna do 1 circuit just to show you, but remember guys, I want you to do a second circuit, all right? Ain't no rest in between these circuits, all right? You get 30 seconds rest just like normal, then start circuit number 2. All right, here we go. What's the first exercise? Elevated push-ups. I'm gonna do them for 30 seconds. I'm gonna hit go, and I'm gonna put the stopwatch in a place where I can keep my eyes on it. I don't have to stare at it the whole time, but once I think I'm getting kind of close to 30 seconds, I might just glance over. 25, 8. All right, 30 seconds. All right, so I got another 30 seconds before I start doing prison squats, and I'm gonna put it once again where I can see it while I'm doing the exercise, okay? Don't need to stare at it, all right? You can kind of get a feel for what 30 seconds like. All right, so I'm trying to catch my breath and talk to you, and of course, I'm trying to get over COVID at the same time, so I got this lung thing killing me right now. All right, 58, 59. All right, prison squats, 30 seconds, guys. Another 10 seconds. All right, I'm at the 130 mark, which means I need to catch my breath. And then at the 2-minute mark, I need to do 30 seconds of shadow boxing. So a lot of you guys, 30 on, 30 off is gonna be too easy, all right? You might wanna do 40-20 or 45-15. Another 3 seconds. And 30 seconds. I'm just glancing down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, get 30 seconds rest before I get down the floor and finish up this circuit with those bird dogs. So I'm gonna put this down here where I can see it. Whew, catch my breath. Talk to you guys for a few seconds. And then I gotta get this knocked out here, all right? These are kind of fun though. I like bird dogs. Here we go. 5 more seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, 3 minutes, 30 seconds on the clock, and I'm done with one circuit, all right? Just like all the other ones, I'm gonna rest for 30 seconds, and then I'm gonna go back to exercise number 1, which was the head elevated push-ups. And I'll do that whole circuit all over again. But you only have to do it twice, guys. So once again, you'll be done in what, 8 minutes or so? That's a fantastic workout. Not gonna burn tons of calories, but at the end of it, I promise your heart rate's gonna be way up there and your energy level's gonna be up there. So you haven't killed yourself in a long, high intensity interval training type workout where you're exhausted. You just kind of gotten the blood flowing and the hormones going so that you actually increase your energy level. And at the same time, it's gonna mean later in the day, if you do a full workout, you'll have more cardio ability to push through those exercises really hard and you'll get way more out of them. All right, guys, so that was a full body weight only workout, okay? For all you guys out there that are over 50, heck, over 40, it doesn't matter. It's great for everybody. No equipment needed. And I promise, if you stick with this workout consistently and don't give up on yourself, I promise you're gonna love the results.